Alright guys, good morning everybody. You can see I just want to show you that you can place your order. We have all items. This is clean cap and this is the clean cap. We have the cream and we have the gel also. Alright, so this one, you can see this one is the cream, which is very good for face, very good. If you've not been using it, at least from now on you should try to learn how to fix it, to put it for your face cream, because it really is an anti-acne and pimples as well. It clears pimples a lot. Are you getting it? Then this is the gel. So the gel, the reason why I don't really advise people for the gel is because it's too strong. So I don't really advise people, because of people, they say their face are sensitive. So then again, see our with Claire, with Claire, you see, is a very nice face cream that you can use all the time, right? Yes, it's good for stubborn pimples, for those of us who have stubborn pimples and all that. It will very be okay for you to remove it. Are you getting it? Yes, facial blemishes, you see, yes, skin burn, acne, pimples, black spot, eye cream remover, you see, eczema, age spots, stretch mark, and all that. So it's good not just only for face, but basically for the whole body. All right, so then again, and this is a 3 beta. You see our 3 beta. While all this I'm showing is original, so you should know what is original is concerned. Whenever I say original, so you should know. Are you getting it? So this is original, and it's also good for face, better off also. You can put it on your face cream. It make your skin, your face be smooth very well, because a lot of people complain about this face that is not smooth. Why not put the right recipe? You see? But if you don't have the right recipe, you can't get it right. So then again, I show you this. Look at this one. This one is skin good. You know, right? So if you have, it's very good, very good, 100% very good. So if you're having pimples, you're having eczema, you're having melasma, dark spot as well, even your feet having problems and all that, rashes and all that, so it will always take them off. It's very good. Now I take you to another section. You can see all these are original. Look at the proper, they are all original. Collagen is very good, it's very good, times 100, as I always tell everybody. Yes, and then this glucokojic also is very good. So if you're making your body skin, make sure you always use all this concentrate. They are they work in a way that you don't over expect, because the ingredient they use to make them, they are very perfect, not like some mixture that you will use and you will get yourself in trouble. I wouldn't advise you to use all that. These are all some of them are holy product and all that. Mostly this collagen, if you always use lotion, whitening lotion, and you don't add collagen, it's very wrong. So mostly this extra white is very strong as well. So I would advise you to always use this one, including skin framing. You see, it's good also when you use all this. They intend to remove dark spot, especially dark spot. They are like auxiliary to your lotion. You understand? If your lotion is filled with a lot of additives, it work faster. Mostly that it work faster. It work faster a lot. So these are original ones. I have that in mind also because of that. Then talk about this diamond face glow. This diamond face glow, if you have not been using or you've not used it before, make sure you learn how to use it to put on your face also. It's someone's product that I love so much, and that's why I'm talking about it. Not they pay me for anything, but make sure you always use this diamond face glow. Are you getting? It's very good. It make your skin to smooth as well. I'm just showing you all these products because of the fact that if I really want to go through them one by one, the way in depth, it will really take much time. So I'm just flipping them over one by one. So go for this, and trust me, they're all originals. Are you getting? So we have a lot of cosmetic products, and we have as well organic products. Okay, what about this holy bio? You see now, a lot of people, they make this mistake. They think, I want to tell you something I've told you before, and I'm still saying again. This holy bio is the same company that does it and make the one on Style Clear. So maybe they just start and say, I'm not gonna use this 42 hour. Come on, it's all the same thing. Don't be deceived. The only reason it can't work the same way is because if you find it that is fake, all right. Other than that, they are all the same. So you can use this one to substitute for that. Like this one, you can use this one to substitute for this one. You can use this one to substitute for this one. But if you have the two, fine. If you still want to use this one and only buy and a Style Clear, it's fine, but they are all the same. All right, what about this egg yolk? I told you some time ago when I did a video on egg yolk cream. It's just awesome. I told you, if you've not been using it, learn how to use it. And also, the only thing you can mix with this egg yolk, if you want to mix, you can mix your what is it called? You can mix your blema oil to it, or you can mix, if you want to add tube to it, it should be your fair whitening beauty cream, you know, or you can add your glutathione injection, which is this one. All right, you can add this vitamin C on, or you can add this blue one also, because they are very effective, hence they are original. The only thing that will make them not be original is the only thing that will make them not work is when they are not original. It gives problem. All right, and then again, I will tell you something about this thing. You know, not some people say using tubes, when you're using tubes, is it bad? It's not bad. Some are glutathione, you know, some are steroid. Are you getting it? So it's not really bad. These are basically meant to solve problems. Just that is the way we use them, we abuse them. That is why it's really sometimes becomes a problem, and also that, oh, if I use this, I don't know if it will work or it will not work. Of course it will work. Tube is one of the best things I know. Sometimes if you use it for stubborn skin, it will clear off. If you use tube for stubborn skin, it will clear off. Mostly this pata also is for face cream, so which I've just told you about some of those things you use for face cream. How about this BB Clear? All these are face products. You can even use it for body, but I love them. Yeah, I love them very well because they are all good products that you can stamp on. That yes, they can remove your dark spots. You know, they can remove, you know, eczema. They can clear all those things. You know, look at it, and you have AHA about it. You see, all these tubes, they are all okay. What about this one? You can use for your body lotion. Yes, it will clear and lighten your body. It will clear all those yama from your body, and it will lighten your body very well. This lemon clear, all right? See our scrub. Today I will be teaching you how to make a scrub today. You see this scrub, most of them, they are just like this Ashanti scrub. This one is made of ginger, this one is made of cow milk, and this one 100, and they're 100% original, because a lot of people, they do call me, how am I going to know the original? That is the real thing, the real deal thing. If you don't know the original, it becomes a problem for you. Are you getting it? So you make sure you use original. However, today you should watch, after this video, watch the video. I will drop about how to make scrub. All right, so this one also is one body lotion I always tell every of my fans to use, every of my followers to use. This one is also a very uri gluta is a very uri gluta injection is a very lotion that I can give you one shit when you're using it constantly also. So if you're using this one before and you see it's not working and you want to activate it, you can add your Blend Pro 9. And what is it called? Blend Pro 9 is activator. This is your Blend Pro 9. All right, you can use this just to activate it. This way, bam, you get results. All right, okay. Then I want to show you this one. Look at this one proper. It's very okay. Also, you can use for your feet and hand also, right, to clean your knuckles as well, you know, just to make sure they are glowing. It will become like this what you are seeing here, because what you are seeing here is not a joke. It's because, and it's constant usage, not all the time, not every week, because I don't want you to spoil your feet also. As it's good it is, also it can damage your skin. All right, yes, fungicide, as it's good, it can damage your skin. So I don't want your skin to be damaged. If you don't use it carefully, it can damage your skin. All right, so fine. We have a lot of products. If I say, let me talk about them right now, it's gonna take much time. It's gonna take much time. Take much time. So you can look whatever you want to look with a white shower gel and all that. All this one to cool your redness, you know. Yes, aloe vera does that to cool your redness and all that. And then let me go this way. You can see. So I told you a lot of people, they asked me about this pimento, which is very good. They are all concentrated. Are you getting it? Highly concentrated? Even this pigeon also. So they are almost the same. I told you, the pigeon and this pimentos, they are almost the same. So we have a lot of product, and they are all original. You can look at them properly. They are all original. If they are not original, they're not going to work, but they are all original, so they will work. If organic as well, we have organic in our big shop, and we have some of them here. So place your order wherever you are. We ship 100%. We ship to you in 4 days. You get your items. Place your order. This is Redness Remover, and you can see this is yellow CC. You can see.